Eat humble pie. Eat humble pie. It's an idiom. It means to act humbly after being proven that one was wrong about something. In other words, to admit an error and become submissive and apologetic in doing so. If you accept the mistake and become so humble, then you are really eating an humble pie. Let us see it in the examples. The first one, after losing the elections, he was made to eat humble pie. So after he lost, he became aware what is going on. He felt very sorry and became very submissive. That's the reason he made to eat humble pie. Second one, I am not saying anything now. I don't want to end up eating humble pie. I don't want to be proved wrong. That's the reason I am not saying anything now. I'll wait and see what's going to happen. That's the reason I don't want to end up eating humble pie. Third one, I know for certain that the appliance should not be handled this way, but if I turn out to be wrong, then I'll eat humble pie. I know this is not the way to handle this appliance. If I do it wrong, and finally I have to feel sorry. I have to say sorry. That's the reason this is not the way. So I don't want to be proved as wrong. That is the reason if it turn out to be wrong, then I'll eat humble pie. Fourth one, the lawyer had to eat humble pie in the court because the facts he presented were wrong. When the lawyer presented all the wrong facts, he was proved wrong. Then he became very humble. He had to accept the fact and he had to eat humble pie. Fifth one may often think that they are smarter than others, but such people always end up eating humble pie. It happens with most of us. We sometimes think we are intelligent than others, but sometimes we fail. When we make mistakes, then people point it out. Then we are really proved to be wrong. So we have to be very submissive. That's the reason always end up eating humble pie. So when we look at the origin of this idiom, eat humble pie, the pie in the original expression was humble pie. Humble pie and not humble pie. The humbles consisted of meat from the heart, liver and gizzards of deer. It was usually the servants who ate these portions because they were not considered to be the choicest meat. Therefore, a person who ate humble pie was one of low status. So, eat humble pie is to admit an error and become submissive and apologetic in doing so.